EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for August 19th, 2024. It is Monday. We're back to work, and Kinsley's Family Market in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania sponsors the Monday video forecast. Summer is in full swing. Be sure to stop by Kinsley's and get all of your summer grilling favorites fresh from their in-house butchers. 7 days a week, cut just the way you like it. They have steaks, burgers, and pork chops to fill your grill. And in seafood, they have salmon fillets, lobster tails, and crab legs. And don't forget, the best of produce season is always available. If you're heading out to a party this summer and don't want to cook, just call their catering department and order up your favorites. Come celebrate summer with Kinsley ShopRite, the world's largest ShopRite, located at 107 Kinsley's Drive in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Proud sponsors of the Monday video forecast. So we have the upper level trough that was affecting us over the weekend is now going to be taking a parting shot as it moves out today. We'll have a secondary cold front moving through. We had the cold front yesterday that brought the scattered showers and thunderstorms and a tremendous amount of rain in some areas. And other areas are like what rain, right? Because it was a convergence boundary that's set up. And if you were along that boundary or just north of it, you got smoked yesterday. And then it was mainly areas closest to the I-78 corridor that really got hit. There were several areas that got hit hard yesterday. Down the Lancaster area got hit, up in far northeastern parts of Pennsylvania earlier in the day. But there was also pretty nasty line that just says sat here and sat here and sat here in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and just dumped a tremendous amount of rain yesterday. So the flood watches that were up for 3 to 4 inches from the National Weather Service wasn't great for everywhere, but it was for the areas that got hit hard. It certainly verified. Okay, so we had a lot of that. Severe weather wasn't really a big problem yesterday. I know we had the severe thunderstorm watch up yesterday. It wasn't a real big deal, but we did have a lot of rain. That was always the primary threat that we relayed to our private clients. Okay, so it was always primary threat was always heavy rain and lightning, and then wind was a secondary issue yesterday. Okay, so it wasn't much of that, thankfully, but we did have a lot of rain in some areas. And as far as drought is concerned, I mean, there's a few areas across southeast PA and maybe down here and just west of our southwestern areas when we get out closer to the Johnstown area and areas just south of there that are still in a drought yet. But, I mean, some areas here really made up for some lost time here in a big way here over this last 3 days. Okay, so today is going to be a parting shot with the secondary cold front moving through, and I'm calling it a secondary front because yesterday was the cold front. Today is a secondary front moving through that's going to be ushering in the cooler air over the next couple of days. Some very, very pleasant conditions coming in. So today, as you see above me, 78 to 84, still going to be humid today until that front moves through. But then tomorrow, lower humidity, 68. When's the last time you saw that? 68 to 74 is a temperature spread. 68 is going to be up by Williamsport in that area. Further southeast you go, it's going to be a little bit warmer. 74 will be in the Philadelphia metro, but that is fantastic weather coming in here as far as temperatures are concerned. Now, with this for secondary front today, they do have a marginal risk for severe weather across our eastern areas. This is probably not going to happen, I think. I think this is really overkill, but, I mean, whatever. It's a 5% chance of severe weather within 25 miles of any given point within this dark green area. The rest of you probably not dealing with anything. Here is the high-resolution rapid refresh that rained this evening. Starting us off at noon and moving this forward, you can see this little bit of line moving forward. At any location, you have a line going through or a broken line moving through is most likely, and you're going to have about a 15 to 30 minute shower and perhaps a garden variety thunderstorm with this as it moves through. And that's going to be during the course of the afternoon. By the time we get to 6 p.m., it is near I-95, and it pushes further southeast and off the coast by about 8 o'clock. Okay, that's all you have today. That's it. Okay, so it's not really exciting with this last batch here. And most of what we had from this 3-day event occurred on Sunday. A little bit on Saturday, but Sunday was really the main day. And then today is just the secondary front moving through, and that's it. The NAM that ran this evening is even less thrilled. A few showers, and that's it. That frontal boundary is hard to find. Hard to find at all. There's really not much here at all. Not looking at severe weather today at all, in my opinion. But we will just give the Storm Prediction Center their just due with this outlook and say, okay, maybe. And if there's going to be an area that's going to have it, it will be down here. But don't hold your breath. Okay. Today is not much rain. Thankfully, we had enough of that yesterday for the areas that got hit hard. And this will move off to the south and east and be off the coast so that Tuesday is a completely dry day. We're looking at a mix of clouds and sun here on Tuesday. Temperatures, again, 68 to 74. That is delightful. Just the start of things for the upcoming week. We have this trough settling in to the region. Wednesday is going to be a mostly sunny day. Thursday is going to be a mostly sunny day. Friday is going to be a mostly sunny day. We are going to get progressively warmer during that period, but just slightly. So low 70s today. Low to mid 70s on Wednesday, probably mid 70s Thursday, and then Friday we're going to get turn the temperatures up a little bit because we have some ridging coming back into the region. You can see that here, mostly sunny skies, some ridging pulling in from the south and west in this direction. So that's going to get temperatures in the lower 80s Friday, low to mid 80s on Saturday, and mid to upper 80s on Sunday. But this entire period through the end of the week is going to be dry, we think. So this Saturday and Sunday coming up, unlike this past weekend, which was very unsettled, is going to be delightful. Okay, if you saw the pool open, which I do, and many of you do. This is a weekend you're going to be able to use the pool, but I will tell you that the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday time frame is going to kill your water temperatures. It's really going to put a number on that. So it's going to be a little chilly this weekend, even though the temperatures outside are going to be summer-like, right? But it's going to be from what happened in that Tuesday to Thursday time frame with high temperatures in the low to mid 70s and overnight lows in the lower 50s at best. Might even some upper 40s here in the Poconos. It's going to be a taste of fall over the next couple of days once we get past today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then temperatures are going to take a nosedive in your pool temperatures this weekend. So we will have an update here on, actually, today is really the only day we have any precipitation here in the week ahead in the 7-day forecast. Update on the next week and see what we're dealing with, which is probably going to be in the middle of next week with a cold front. But other than that, we weren't really dealing with anything toward the end of the month here that's going to be outstanding as far as incredible precipitation amounts like we just had here over the weekend. So, and again, not all areas had that. But some areas within our region got hit pretty hard. It'll be nice to get a break here over the next week and dry out for a bit. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for August 19th, 2024. Have a great Monday.